2019 Nissan Pathfinder S, 7-passenger SUV. Black metallic paint, aluminum alloy wheels, tinted windows, good tires. Plenty of storage down here as well. Black interior. Rear charge points with climate controls. Carpeted floor mats throughout. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. More charge points down here. CD player. 390-day trial Sirius XM satellite radio. Backup camera. Hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls. Just over 93,000 miles. Smart cruise control. Come on, see us. AU Cars. You'll say shoot.